Introducing Oasis Rest and Relief Eye Mask. Oasis Rest and Relief can be used hot or cold. To use hot compress, set microwave power to high and heat for 20 seconds. Place eye mask over closed eyes. Optionally, secure adjustable strap. Wear to 3 to 5 minutes or as directed by a physician. Do not apply for more than 20 minutes at a time. Oasis Rest and Relief Eye Mask. To soothe and bring relief from dry eye symptoms, headache, sinus pressure. Elastic strap for a comfortable fit. Adjustable closure for compression. Durable temperature retaining silica beads for hot or cold therapy. Soft, washable, and reusable with contouring fit for full contact and comfort. Ask your doctor if Oasis Rest and Relief is right for your symptoms. OASIS Medical, where your eyes matter.